5 easy ways to make your ceramic tile floors sparkle. Dear friends, ceramic tile floors can lose their shine over time, but the good news is you don't need expensive products to bring them back to life. With a few simple tricks, you can make your floors sparkle like new. First, start with regular sweeping or vacuuming. Dust and grit can dull the surface and even cause tiny scratches. Keeping your floor free from debris is the first step to maintaining its shine. Second, use a mild cleaning solution. Mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap or white vinegar. This helps break down grease and grime without leaving behind any residue that can make tiles look cloudy. Third, don't forget the grout lines. Dirty grout can make even clean tiles look dull. Use a baking soda and water paste with a soft brush to gently scrub the grout and restore its brightness. Fourth, dry the floor after mopping. Letting water air dry can leave streaks or spots. Use a clean microfiber cloth or mop to buff the tiles dry and enhance their natural shine. Finally, polish occasionally. A small amount of tile-safe polish or even a drop of lemon juice in your cleaning solution can add extra sparkle. Follow these easy steps regularly, and your ceramic tile floors will stay clean, shiny, and beautiful for years to come. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.